possibly which is holding, some sort of promise as far as the COVID-19 situation is concerned. Russia and the Russian President Vladimir Putin today announced that they have successfully developed the first vaccine against the coronavirus. In fact, Russian President claims that his country's health ministry has approved the world's first coronavirus vaccine, adding that his daughter has already received a shot. The vaccine developed by Moscow's Gamaleya Institute received the green light from the Russian health ministry on Tuesday. Russian president in fact said he hoped Russia would soon start mass production of the COVID-19 vaccine. However, the global medical fraternity remains skeptical of the development, saying Russia seems to have bypassed the third phase that involves human trials. So basically, the questions that are being raised are because they don't know what kind of side effects can this vaccine have on people. And as Russia goes into the next phase and there will be a mass production as well, it will be interesting to see whether there are, in fact, any side effects or impacts of these vaccine when a large number of people do receive the shot, which is somewhere around 21 January. Meanwhile, back home in the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held meeting with 10 chief ministers of the worst COVID-affected states in the country. The Prime Minister once again insisted and highlighted the fact that the new mantra to follow is all those who have come in contact with an infected person should be traced and tested within 72 hours. Prime Minister, boosting the morale, added 80% of active cases come from 10 states. If the virus can be defeated in these 10 states, the entire country will emerge victorious. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also put the onus on the states, mentioning Bihar, Telangana, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and urged them to increase testing and bring down fatality rate.
72 घंटे में जिसको भी हुआ है उसके आसपास के सबको उसका टेस्टिंग हो जाना चाहिए, उनका ट्रेसिंग होना चाहिए, उनके लिए जो आवश्यक है वो व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए। अगर ये 72 घंटे वाली फॉर्मूला पर हम बल देते हैं तो आप मानिए कि बाकी जो चीजें हैं उसके साथ अब इसको जोड़ देना है कि 72 घंटे के भीतर भीतर इन सारे कामों को कर लेना है।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.